Hello students, today this is volume 4 of topic continuity. Let me discuss the remaining questions of exercise 5.1. Question number 12. Fx equal to x raised to the power 10 minus 1. If x less than or equal to 1 and x square, if x is greater than or equal to greater than 1, x is greater than 1. The question is that find all points of discontinuity. Now see here, what is the domain? Domain is the set of real numbers. We will see here for x less than 1 and x greater than 1. When x is less than 1, function is this. This is a polynomial function, and we know that the polynomial function is continuous at everywhere. I have told you. For x greater than 1, the function is again polynomial. So, for x less than 1 and for x greater than 1, the function is a polynomial function. Therefore, it is continuous. So, for x less than 1 and x greater than 1, f is continuous. Now, we will see the breaking point. Breaking point is x equal to 1. 1 is breaking point. Limit x tends to 1, fx. Here we will write for x equal to 1. This is let limit. This will become limit x tends to 1, 1. When x less than 1, function is x raised to the power 10 minus 1. And this will become 1 raised to the power 10 minus 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Now find out right hand limit. Limit x tends to 1, fx. Right hand means greater than 1. And when x greater than 1, function is x square. So this will become limit x tends to 1, x square, 1 square equal to 1. Here we see that left hand limit at x equal to 1 is 0 and right hand limit at x equal to 1 is 1. Therefore, from here we will write that left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit at x equal to 1, and hence at x equal to 1, f is discontinuous. So, for this function, x equal to 1 is the point of discontinuity. Next question. Next question is same, 13. You can do yourself. Now see question number 14. Question 14 is discuss the continuity of the function f, where f is defined as fx is given by 3 if x less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 0. 4 if x is less than 3 and greater than 1, and 5 if x is less than or equal to 10 and greater than or equal to 3. This is the different type of question. Here function is always constant, you see, fx3, here fx4, here fx5. Okay, now we will see whether this function is continuous throughout the domain or not. If not, then we will find out the point of discontinuity as we have done in previous questions. So first of all, we will see that the function f is defined in interval. You see, x less than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0 here, and here x less than or equal to 10. It means this is closed interval 0, 10. The function is defined in this interval. So first of all, we will take point x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Limit x tends to 0, fx will be equal to, here you see x equal to 0 is here. Okay, this is x greater than or equal to 0, and we are checking for x equal to 0 only, not for less than 0. It means we can say that this is right to 0, or you can say right limit. So for x equal to 0, value is 3, and f0 is also 3. It means at x equal to 0, f is continuous. Okay, because limit of a function is equal to the value of the function at x equal to 3. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay. Now second is for x less than 1 and x greater than 1. For x less than 1, function 3. For x greater than 1, this is greater than 1, function 4. F is a constant function and hence is continuous. Okay. Now we will see x equal to 1 at x equal to 1, because here 1 is breaking point. So we will check whether left hand limit and right hand limits are same or not. So at x equal to 1, limit x tends to 1 fx, left limit. Left limit means x less than 1, value 3. This will be 3. And limit x tends to 1 fx, it means x greater than 1, value 4. So here left hand limit not equal to right hand limit, and therefore at x equal to 1, f is discontinuous. At x equal to 1, f is discontinuous. Okay. Now next point is x less than 3 and x greater than 3. For x less than 3 and x greater than 3. Now see here, for x less than 3, f is 4. For x less than 3, f is 5. F is constant function and hence is continuous. Okay, and now we will see for x equal to 3. X equal to 3. 3 is breaking point here. So we will find out left limit and right limit. Limit x tends to 3 fx. This is left limit. It means x less than 3, 4. And limit x tends to 3 fx. This is right limit. It means x greater than 3, 5, equal to 5. So left hand limit not equal to right hand limit at x equal to 3, and therefore at x equal to 3 f is discontinuous. Therefore f is discontinuous at x equal to 3. And now at x equal to 10. For x equal to 10, x greater than or equal to 10, limit x tends to 10 fx, and this is less than or equal to 10, so we can write here left limit, and that will be 5. And the value of function f5 is also 5, because at x equal to 10 function is 5. Therefore at x equal to 10 f is continuous. So we have discussed all the points. Therefore now for this question, for this function, there are 2 points at which the function is discontinuous. Okay, thank you.